everyone, welcome you all. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, formatting a document. Okay, so today we are going to learn about formatting a document, how to format a document, how to format a document. Okay, today we are going to learn about how to format a document. So for this, first of all, we need to open Microsoft Word. So how to open Microsoft Word? I am daily in my every video I am telling you how to open Microsoft Word. So I don't need any child not able to open Microsoft Word. Okay. So from start menu you have to go to all program and then you have to click on the MS Office, Microsoft Office. As you click on the Microsoft Office, you need to click on the Microsoft Office Word 2007. As you click on the Microsoft Word 2007, this window will appear in front of you. Microsoft window will appear in front of you. So as I already explained you about all tools that we already learned in previous chapters, your chapter Understanding MS Word. So here in today's class we are going to learn formatting in document. So first of all we need to type a paragraph. Okay, so I am typing one paragraph, so it will take little bit time. So for example, this is your text that I have entered in your document. Okay, that I have entered in your document. Okay, so let's do formatting here. Formatting means changing the appearance of the text. It is very simple. So we can change the appearance of the text, changing the font size. इसका font change कर सकते हैं. The way it is looking, we can change it. We can change its size. We can make it big. We can highlight certain words. We can adjust line spacing. Okay, we can setting tabs. Okay, we can align text on page, we can create bulleted number list, and we can change text style and color. We can also change the color of this text. Okay, so first of all we will change the font type. So how to change the font type? Let me tell you. Okay, for example, I don't like this font, I don't like this straight font, I want something different. So how can we change the font? First of all you have to select the text. Okay, and how to select a paragraph? You know that very well. Triple click on the left margin, okay, of the paragraph. The paragraph will be selected, or triple click on the paragraph, it will be selected. Okay, so here your paragraph is selected. Now you have to go to Home tab. Okay, where you need to go? You need to go to the Home tab. Are you able to see? This is your Home tab. Okay, in Home tab we need to go to the font group. Are you able to see? This is your font group. Here you need to go. In the font group there is option. These are your font styles. Okay, these are your fonts. So font type. So from here you can change the font. Okay, from here you can change your font of your text. Right now it is Calibri body. Okay, this font type is Calibri body, and you can change this font type. Okay, see, so many types of fonts are here. See, this type of font is also there. This is this one, Arial black. Okay, engrave empty, elephant, bell empty. Different types of font styles are present. For example, this one. Okay, you can change it in a type of font you want. For example, this type of font, this type of font, this one. Okay, in any type of font you can change. Okay, one more font is one of the known font is Times New Roman. Okay, this is your Times New Roman. So let's search the Times New Roman. PQRST, Times New Roman. This is your Times New Roman. Okay, so this type of thing you can do with your text. For example, this one I am changing. Algerian. Okay, Algerian type of font is this. So this is how you can change the font type. Okay, this is your font type box. Here you can click and then do. Everyone just write down the shortcut key for changing the font face. Control, Shift and F keys together. As you press Control, Shift and F keys together, your font dialog box will appear and you can change your font type. Whatever the font type you want in your document. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So now we will apply some more facilities in your font group. These are bold, italic and underline. Okay, so you can, for example, first of all you can also change the size. I'm just making it a little bit large, then you can easily recognize the difference between the bold and italic and underline. Okay, so for example this text, the earth, I want it to be bold. ओके हम किसी किसी टेक्स्ट को चाहते हैं कि वो अलग से डिस्प्ले हो, सो वी कैन मेक इट बोल्ड. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल हेडिंग, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम मेकिंग अ हेडिंग नेचुरल कैलामिटीज, नेचुरल calamities. Okay, so I want it to be bold, so it is bold. I want it to be bold, so it is bold now. Okay, I'm just making in Calibri, it is bold. Okay, and I want it to be italic. If you want to be in italic form, it will be in a slant way. Are you able to see? This is now in italic form. If you do not want italic, just click on this. See, are you able to see the difference between the italic and the simple text? Okay, now it is bold also and it is italic also. I want it to be underlined also because it is a heading, so I want it to be underlined also. So see, underlined text, it is underlined text now. So everyone able to see B, I and U symbolize the bold, italic and underline. Okay student, and one more thing let me tell you, let's do with this. Okay, this is your text. First of all, I am making it in a simple way. Okay, so first of all, do not make it italic, bold and underline. Okay, if you want it bold, then okay. So this is your text that we want to do changes. So first of all, just select this text. I am just telling you how to bold the text with the help, without using mouse and by using your keyboard. So first select the text and then you can use a shortcut key, Control and B keys pressed together. Control and B. Okay, Control plus B keys together. So you have to press Control and B keys together. You will easily able to use this button. Okay, this is a shortcut for making your text bold or unbold. Okay, if you want to do your text italic, so your shortcut key is Control and I. So I am making this text now italic. So Control and I keys together. Now this text is italic also. Okay, this text is your italic. Now it's turn to do its underline. So how to do with the help of shortcut key? Control and U keys together. It's very easy. Control and U keys together. If you will press Control and U keys together, this text will be underlined. Okay. So I hope you all have learned how to convert your text in boldface, how to convert into italic form and how to underline your text. Okay. and it is all in the home tab in the font group, and by the shortcut key I have already explained you. So everyone need to write down the shortcut key. At the last of this video I am going to give you shortcut keys. You will write those shortcut keys in your notebook. Now changing the alignment of text. See student, you know this text is right now it is left line. Whenever you are writing something, your text alignment is always will be left. Okay, because our writing ways are always from left to right, so that's why always your text alignment will be left. Okay, for changing the alignment of text, for example, I want this text to be in center. So how can I change? I want this text to be in right alignment. So how can we change? So we can change from this paragraph group. In the home tab, there is a paragraph group. There are 4 alignments are present. One is your left alignment. Okay, left alignment is very easy. It is by default it is there. Now center alignment. Click on the center alignment. Your text will be shifted to center alignment. Click on the right alignment, your text will be shifted to right alignment. And this is your justified alignment. Justified alignment will display in the text, will display in the paragraph. It is basically for the paragraph. You don't want this type of things in your paragraph. Just like these type of flows in your paragraph ki like एक line यहाँ finish हो रही है, दूसरी line यहाँ finish हो रही है. This type of adjustment done by the your justify option. Okay, so you have to click on the justify alignment. Click on the justify alignment. Your text is now aligned properly, justified from both sides. It is aligned or justified from both sides. Now you are able to see the difference between the lines ending are now shorter. These are all aligned properly. So this is your justified line. And these alignment also having the shortcut key for aligning the text left. You need to press Ctrl and L keys together. Ctrl and L keys together. As we press Ctrl and L keys together, it will be left line. As you press Ctrl and E keys together, this will be your center line. If you will press Ctrl and R keys together, your text will be right aligned. And if you will, for example, this I am going to justify. First of all, I am making it left aligned. Now I want to make it justified. So how to do this? Ctrl and J keys together. Ctrl and J. Okay, as I pressed Ctrl and J keys together, this all paragraph is now justified. Okay, it is justify line. Okay, so these are the 4 types of alignments present in your Microsoft Word, and these are very helpful in presenting your paragraph in more better way. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. There are 4 types of alignment, and these alignments are done with the help of paragraph tab present, paragraph group present in home tab. Okay, and shortcut keys also I have explained you. I will give you shortcut keys at the last. Now we will learn how to change the color of the text. Okay, how to change the color of the text. So how to change? First of all, let's make it center line, because always your heading will be center line. Okay, so now how to change the color of the text? For example, I want to change the heading color. So how to change? Just select the heading first. Okay, select the text in which you are going to change the color. So in the home tab, again in the font group, you are able to see this font color option. This is your font color option. Okay, are you able to see font color option? Okay, so in font color option there is a down arrow button. This is your down arrow button. From here just click and choose the appropriate color in which you want your text. Okay, if you don't like the colors from here, you can click on the more color option and you can choose the color from here also. Okay, which type of color you want, you can have a color from here also. So many colors are available here. You can choose appropriate color. Okay, whatever you want. For example, just I made it in a green color, natural calamities. Okay, clear to everyone? So this is your way to change the text color. So how to change the other text color? Okay, first of all we need to select the paragraph. Now my paragraph is selected. Now go to in the font group, in the font color option, and choose the appropriate color in which you want your text to display. Okay, so for example this color I am using. So this color is used for displaying my text that I have typed. So how to change the color of the font is done. One more thing, if you don't like these color also, for example in more colors you don't like these color also, then you can go to the custom option. In the custom option you can create your own color from these mixture of these colors. Okay, you can choose your own color from here. Okay, clear? Intensity you can have dark like this. Okay, for example from here. Okay, and you can change your color from here. And now select the text and convert into that particular color. Okay, clear to everyone? So this is how you can change the color of the text. Now I am going to type the shortcut keys. So everyone will write the shortcut keys in their notebook with me. Okay, so first shortcut key we have learned today is about how to open a how to open font type box. Okay, how to change the font face. First of all I am making it black color. Wait a minute, I am just changing the color to black. Okay, to change the font type. शॉर्टकट की क्या है? व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की? कंट्रोल. आई एम मेकिंग इट्स फॉन्ट ऑल्सो. ओके, because I don't like this font right now. Its calibri body is okay. Okay, and I'm making this text more large. It should be 18 or 22, then it will display to you. Control plus shift plus your F keys together. Okay, these are your shortcut keys for to change the font type. Now to bold the text, to make the text bold, Okay, so for this what we need to do? CTRL CTRL, sorry, it means control plus your B, यानी कि control and B keys together. Okay, plus का मतलब क्या होता है? Together. Okay, to make the text italic, make the text italics, we need to do what? CTRL plus I. Okay, CTRL plus I keys together. Okay, now to make the text underline, to underline the text, to underline the text, what we need to do? CTRL plus U. Okay, this we have done. Okay, and so to right align the text, CTRL plus R, to center align, CTRL, it means control plus E, to left align, CTRL, it means control plus L. Okay, and to justify, CTRL plus J. So these are the all your shortcut keys that you need to write. Okay, so thank you everyone, keep watching the video.